Looks like I'm a hay farmer. Sometimes I tell myself I should have some goats, but I've raised animals before. Too much work. Too much work. Plus, they'll eat everything. So I got this cleared out. And I didn't find any cilantros growing on their own, so threw in a bunch of cilantro seeds. The coriander. And there's 2 rows of peppers, all different. I think there's habanero, poblano, some little ones that I don't remember what they were. The seeds are really small, you can't see them, and something else. And at that end is going to be tomatoes, and I'm going to try these Snake River green zebra tomatoes. And yeah, so and I try to leave space for I can get in there and thin them out when they get bigger, because there'll be a lot, and then I can take the plants that I thinned out and put them elsewhere. And I got a lot more work to go on my corn patch. There's a stump of one of the last year's corns. And there's my dwarf tree. Don't know why it won't grow any bigger. It should be like close to 5 feet tall by now. And oh yeah, we're supposed to get big rain tomorrow, by tomorrow evening, and possibly the next day, so I'm not gonna worry about watering. And the irises are blooming. Them blooming iris. Whoops. This is the big rain they said we were going to get. I just heard a little rumble of thunder, but all day long, the WX app, the weather application on my phone, kept almost hourly updating from between just sprinkles to major thunderstorms. This is finally what we're getting, which is what I consider like a medium rain. They're getting watered, and they've canceled the big rain for the next day. Anyway, see, I use this wheelbarrow. I discovered I can use it as a rain catcher, and if it's only half full, I'm strong enough that I can move it to where I want to put the water. And when it's full, I just use buckets like these old, like that one there. And I have regular kind of water catchers too, but at least I live in a place where you can collect snow, melt, and rain water.